This is a test just for myself, testing low, medium, and 3/4 gain on the Blue Yeti for for bi-directional only. So this is bi-directional gain at 9 o'clock, just with Plastic Jesus.
I don't care if it rains or freezes, as long as I've got my plastic Jesus riding on the dashboard of my car. Comes in colors pink and pleasant, glows in the dark 'cause he's iridescent. Take him with you when you're traveling far.
That was at 1/4 gain. Now in midstream, I am changing bi-directional gain to noon, so it's straight up. Again, the Yeti is pointing right at my mouth, about 18 inches away. The guitar is about 2 feet away from the sound hole.
I don't care if it rains or freezes, long as I've got my plastic Jesus riding on the dashboard of my car. Comes in colors pink and pleasant, glows in the dark 'cause he's iridescent. Take him with you when you're traveling far.
Now I'm going to put gain all the way at, well, not all the way. It's going to be at 3 o'clock. So it's about 3/4 of its speed. You may begin to hear thunder in the background. So bi-directional, gain at 3/4 speed, 3/4 setting. Again, back to Plastic Jesus. Again, gain is at 3 o'clock. Here's we're singing.
I don't care if it rains or freezes, long as I've got my plastic Jesus riding on the dashboard of my car. Comes in colors pink and pleasant, glows in the dark 'cause he's iridescent. Take him with you when you're traveling far.
And since I'm doing all these, I might as well do a gain test where it's maxed out. So it's maxed out now at 5 o'clock, I'd say, and it's in bi-directional. Microphone, again, is about 18 inches from my mouth. It's about 2 feet, maybe 2.5 feet from the sound hole. Testing with Plastic Jesus.
freezes, long as I've got my plastic Jesus riding on the dashboard of my car. Comes in colors, pink and pleasant, glows in the dark 'cause he's iridescent. Take him with you when you're traveling far.
I may publish this one. We'll see. This is all a test for the Blue Yeti playing an acoustic guitar. It's an Ibanez V70, playing it on amplified. And the whole purpose was I want my voice to come through and not be overwhelmed by the guitar, which has been happening. But now I've discovered on the Blue Yeti, and perhaps on my Shure microphones also, that the gain setting is really important. It's also, where is the microphone? The microphone is about 2 feet away from me, 18 inches away. It's about 2 feet this way to the sound hole. And I've experimented with gain in this. I've gone from pretty much 1/4 to 50% to 3/4 to max, seeing how it sounds, because once again, I want to hear my voice. So hopefully this is useful to you. Maybe I'll publish it. My name is Richard. My website is Shoshin Guitarist, SHOSHIN Guitarist.com. Thanks a lot for dropping by. Maybe you'll do a like and a comment. Sure would appreciate it. Take care.